welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And it's a beautiful day today again. And now we have Michelle LaDonna on the mix today. And she's talking about that little thing that's going on with Andre Stevens and Jamaican Carlos. So, they're in a little mix-up. And so LaDonna is talking about it. So go catch the video to hear what she has to say about both of them, because she has a soft heart for Andre. But just listen to what she has to say, because she always plays it fair. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. A beautiful day.
All right, make we just real quick. I want to touch upon the Jamaica Carlos and Andre Stevens topic a little bit, right? And everybody knows, say, me have a weak spot. My heart is very soft when it comes down to Andre Stevens for more than one reasons. Me just have a soft spot for Andre. But let me tell you something. You see, me I go always tell you the truth, no matter if me love you or hate you or dislike you. Me, I go tell you the truth. Andre, come here. Let me and you have a conversation. Let's be fair and let's be reasonable, because I am trying to understand why is it that you are upset with Carlos. I am looking back at the interview, right? And I am thinking and I'm replaying the interview in my head. And I cannot understand. Me can't see no reason, no valid reason why you are upset with Jamaican Carlos. None. Me can't see. You and Wayne, you guys were friends. You introduced Wayne to the internet, because we never know about him. You are business partners, right? Uno are friends behind the scenes. Uno are kumbolo, right? Uno are one another confidant. Uno have disagreement, the relationship gone sour. You accuse this man of stealing $3.5 million, right? We didn't know about it. You told us about it via your Facebook page. No, when we heard that, the masses for about a week, when was dragged in the media, left, right, and center, this man was accused of stealing your money, the things that what they say about Wayne, oh my God. Without hearing Wayne's side of the story, people jump to their own conclusion, right? They form their own opinion, and based on them opinion, then think that their opinion, it was facts about this man, and them not hear this man's side of the story, And for a whole week, bloggers talk about it, how this man thief Andre money, because you tell me that on the media, right? No, this man don't really have a platform to express himself, to speak his truth. And Jamaican Carlos provided that outlet, right? He gave Wayne the opportunity, and not just Wayne, your financial advisor, right? I think that lady who takes care of your finances. Even the lady came onto Carlos' platform. Why are you not angry with the lady? Why aren't you angry with, I don't know if her name, if she's the one where if her name is Narissa, or we call her grandma, because I don't remember, because that's how we addressed her on the night of the live. It's not me being disrespectful, right? So me just say grandma, because we don't know if she named Narissa, and me don't want to confuse the thing, right? She also spoke that night, but yet still you are having an issue with Carlos. You're not having an issue with grandma, considering that grandma came on Carlos' platform to clear Wayne's name. when was vindicated that night, this lady come out and she clarified, she verified, she cleared things up, and she even gave us more information that we needed, more than what we needed. And you have a problem with that, Andre? You have to be fair. Let's be fair. If the shoe was on the other foot, wouldn't you want a platform to clear your name, knowing that the masses are accusing you of theft? 3.5 million, that can buy one piece of land, one small piece of land in Jamaica, and somebody accuse you of that. Come on. And Jamaican Carlos didn't say a bad word about you during that interview. Not that I can remember. That man was on your side. That man wanted to hear Wayne's side of the story. Me watching, me never care about no secrets. Me not care about what happened behind the scenes. Me never care, because when friend and friend come together and them a talk on the phone, them a go share things with them one another. You understand? Them a go confide in a them one another. Because they are friend and them a trust you. So them a go tell you certain things. Me never care about the details. Me only care about the 3.5 million. Me only want to know, say, did this man really steal your money? And he did not steal your money, Andre. Stop continue to put this narrative out there in the public that he stole 3.5 million of your money. No, because your caregiver, well, not a caregiver, but the lady who looks after your finances, she said this man never steal no money. She explained all of that. Everything she explained in detail. And I listened and I believed everything what she said. And even when she had talked, there were certain things that I disagreed with. And if I go back and watch my video, you hear me say certain things where she said, me never agree with somebody in charge of your money that, you know, and me stand up in a corner where that was concerned, because, you know, me just say, boy, you're a grown man and you need to have your own money and blah, blah, blah. If you want to blow it, that have your business or whatever. But maybe she was just looking out for you. But me still never agree. Right? So now, how we come? Say you have so much energy for Jamaican Carlos. Let me tell you something. You know, come on social media and talk about loyalty and Judas. You and Jamaican Carlos a family? You know, friends? We are simply just bloggers. We're here to give our opinion. And if we have a call-in show and somebody want to call in and we show and express themselves and voice them, they are free to do so. Want to come from with this whole loyalty and this support is support. You see, if you do good, me I go support you. I am there. I am there front and center with my bank account, with my bank book, with my money for support a cause. You understand what I'm saying? I am there in the background. Nobody has to know what me I do, where me I contribute to or what. But I am there. Because I support to make, you know, changes to somebody's life, for improve somebody's life, to make a difference. So me I go support the thing. You understand? But you see, when me not go support on a friggery. Me not go turn a blind eye to certain things we want to do, because I say right now, Andre, me can't side with you where this is concerned, because I know say right now you're acting off of emotion and hurt, and you deal with Jamaican Carlos away, and it is not deserving, because he did you no wrong. And then the followers, these commenters, right, they're just under the post, and them just so quick for dismiss Carlos or for cancel Carlos. Just because them love you. Just because, yes, we miss you. We all miss you. But come on, we have to be fair, guys. Me don't know which interview on the watch, but I know me can't see what Carlos do to Andre. I know. For you come out and I want to, just because the man gave Wayne a platform for clear his name. And he did just that. And grandma co-signed him on that. This man, he did not disrespect you. Me never know about, let me tell you something, me never know about Jamaican Carlos until with the whole debacle. And that's the God's honest truth. Me never really know about Jamaican Carlos like that until this whole thing when me I see with you and Wayne. I'ma go over there, I'ma watch 1 and 2 of his videos, and me like what me see. Because this man is a very respectable man. He's so respectful. Unlike you, Andre, because you're very disrespectful. When you go up on Jamaican Carlos, you can't even type certain things. He might go tell us, no bother with that over here. So, if you used to do it over this upon another platform, don't come over here and don't do it over here. You go over there and you do it over there. So, but don't come over here with your disrespectful comments. And me rate him for that. But you, Andre, are the Prime Minister and his wife. You know ramp for go up under them. You know ramp for be disrespectful. And that's why I say when you attack a certain argument, me realize say you're acting off of hurt. That me observe with you. You're acting off of hurt. You're hurt. You're somebody who carry around hurt and you don't know how to let it go, Andre. You understand? Don't get me wrong. You are doing good. Me see where you do good. And it is commendable. And it is applaudable. Applaudable. Right? It is a beautiful thing. I support that 100%. Me rally round you. Me rally behind you. Where that is concerned. But you see, in this case, me not side with you. Because me don't agree with this. And when Jamaican Carlos come out swinging and lick you in your belly button with facts, because he used facts. Not things when dig up, you know. Things where you yourself say. He used it to cuss you. And now you're butthurt. But what do you expect? Because he never trouble you. He didn't trouble you. All he did, he gave someone, your friend, a platform to clear his name. That's all he did. And you're upset. But you're not quarrel about grandma who came on Jamaican Carlos platform. She ain't no Judas. She ain't no Judas. Make it make sense. Make it make sense. You're a highly intelligent man. I'm sure you would have liked somebody give you the time of day. You talk about this one, that one never sell you out because them deny, you know, they doing the interview with Wayne. So you think, so okay, these people, oh, they support you or whatever. It doesn't mean because I open my forum, I open my platform for somebody to come and share their opinion or speak them through. It don't mean say, me hate you or me dislike you or me not support you no more. It just means that I am giving this person the opportunity to tell their side of the story. Right? You are saying that, oh, he's not a good journalist. He's not a journalist. He's just a blogger. He's just a blogger. He never do no studying. No, we never do no studying. We just talk up a phone and say we are giving opinion. We are not journalists. That's why sometimes we talk with facts. No, we not get with facts right because we're not a certified journalist. You understand? We just come and advise with opinion. And that's what it is. Come on. Me don't know if you're a certified journalist yourself. I don't know. You're not an MP. Are you? You're an MP for a constituency. Me don't know. Maybe you are. Me don't know. Right? But we come and we advise to opinion. Why is it such a big deal? We don't come and cuss and say about this Judas. We don't stop it. We don't need to stop it. Don't do them foolishness, them man, because it don't make no sense. When you do them something there, you make we start to form alliance. It's like, no, this side and that side. You must, yeah, yo, listen, we need to grow up. We need to grow up and stop it. Right? And when we have debate, we're supposed to can decipher what's right and what's wrong. What is good and what is bad. And that me I say. And when you're not favorites, when them do something wrong, come on, man. We're supposed to can come out and say, yo, me think say this was wrong and me think say that was right or whatever. That's what me believe in. Moving forward, that's what me believe in. We use your platform and split justice, man. You understand what me I say? Andre, you said, right, that Wayne I stalk you and Wayne I post your picture and all of these things. And this is not known. Me not defend Wayne because it was only a friend. Me not defend none of uno. Me just a talk based on what me see, right? You and when me hear you say how Wayne terrorized you and I stalk you and him a post your picture every time. You know the last time me go up on Wayne Instagram, right? Me search for Wayne Instagram. And me look on Wayne Instagram page. And the last picture when me see that was posted of you on that man's page was from last year. I think last year April. Last year April 2022. Last year. Right? And the last video on his YouTube, and the last video was of you, which was a good video promoting their video, right? Where you was talking about an issue, was tackling an issue. Was this year March. This year 2023 March. Me go on his Facebook page and all me a look. Me no see no picture. One picture me see, one post, yeah? Like a poster with this, Nigel Clark, him and you. They pan it. And to me they think, say, okay, maybe we're not get together and the two of us go tackle this Nigel Clark issue or whatever. I just recently, since you, maybe within the last 24 hours, me see maybe I post 1 and 2 things pertaining to you because of the things them where you say. And why wouldn't he? Just like how you have feelings, him have feelings too. As me said, the two of you guys were friends, and sometimes when friendship fall apart, Lord Jesus, sister, when they dash out, that this one they dash out, it is to be expected based on how we see things.